Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Lars the First. In this video, I am going to teach you how to jailbreak your iDevice on iOS 4.3.3 without a PC. Now, keep in mind that this jailbreak will only work if your iDevice is activated. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website jailbreak.com on Safari. If it says it can verify the identity of the server, click on Continue. The website should look like what you're seeing on my screen, and it works on all the devices that support iOS 4.2.3 and some other devices. At this moment, you should be seeing the compatibility chart on the screen. But anyway, let's continue with the video. Button as you were downloading an app from the App Store and confirm by clicking on Install. Then you have to wait until it finishes. Once it's done, you want to open Cydia and choose the type of user you are. In my case, I am going to the user. Then, it's done, click on the done button at the top. It should start updating the database as soon as you click the done button. But if that doesn't work, what you want to do is go to Changes and click on Refresh. Once it's done updating the database, what you want to do next is click on Return to Cydia, and it will show an alert saying there are updates available. In this moment, you get to choose if you want to update or not. Today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment section down below. I am Mr. Lars the first of the largest legacy devices project, and I'll see you in the next one.